I disappeared for almost a year, and honestly, I didn't plan it. Life just took over, and I needed time to breathe. I needed time to reset and understand myself again. But I'm finally ready to sit down and talk to you properly. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you've been around, thank you so much for sticking around. I won't even lie, life has been happening so fast for these past months. Moving to Canada, adjusting to the environment, trying to work, the weather, trying to find myself, trying to really understand myself and to know what I really want, trying to understand my direction. It was a lot for me. There were days I felt overwhelmed. I didn't want to come here and pretend like everything was perfect when it wasn't. Instead of forcing content, I stepped back and allowed myself to breathe. So many things has changed since I moved here. In fact, tomorrow makes it 2 years since I left Nigeria. These 2 years has taught me so much about life, responsibility, growth. It taught me a lot. It taught me how to be more patient. In fact, how to work hard. In Nigeria, I thought I was really very hardworking until I moved here. I realized that I wasn't really as hardworking as I thought I was. Canada is a beautiful place, but it has not been easy. But it has really shaped me in a way I didn't expect. It pushed me to do better. It stretched me and made me stronger. But now I'm ready to come back and build the space properly. On this channel, you can expect skincare, K-beauty, products review, expect a day in my life video, just basically lifestyle video, real girl talk, dark spots treatment, Canada lifestyle. Everything will be real. Thank you so much for your patience with me. Thank you so much for sticking around even when I wasn't posting at all. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And honestly, this time I'm ready. And the thing is, I always come to YouTube to watch other people's video. But sometimes I just feel like, am I in the right state of mind to sit down and talk to people? I take my time to watch others' video, but to even sit down and make a proper video for myself, it was difficult for me. Sometimes I just feel like if I make the video, it may not make sense because I wasn't in the right state of mind. So please like, comment, and subscribe so that you won't miss any video. I also want to share something really personal. I turned 30 on the 12th of September this year. To be honest, there are so many things I thought by now. Oh my God. So many things I thought I would have achieved before I turned 30, but I couldn't. Oh, even last year, there were so many things I wanted to do, but I couldn't do them. I couldn't. I have so many beautiful plans for myself. Goals I wanted to tick off before I clocked 30. I couldn't achieve them yet. At first, it made me feel like I wasn't doing enough. Like I was behind. I should have figured out my life by now. But the truth is, life doesn't always follow our timing. And sometimes things takes longer than we expect. And that is okay. Right now, I'm learning to give myself some grace. I'm learning to love myself more. I'm learning to appreciate myself. Now, I'm learning to give myself grace to start again and to understand that my journey is totally different. But the truth is, 30 doesn't close any door for me. I can say it actually opened my eyes to so many things. I think differently now. I don't know if you've been there. Like people, I don't know, did you feel the same way when you clocked 30? Because I just feel like I'm more mature now. I understand life in a different way now. I don't know how it's going to feel like when I clock 35 or 40. God has been faithful. That is all I will say. I notice now I'm more determined to do better for myself. So that is where I've been. But I thank Almighty God that, okay, everything is getting better and we are still praying for God to perfect everything. God has started this journey with me. We surely make things better. So that is where I've been and what I've been dealing with. It hasn't been perfect, but it has been real. And I'm grateful for God. I'm really grateful to Almighty God for all the lesson I've learned. So right now I'm entering a new chapter of my life and I want this channel to grow with me. And it can't grow without God and without you. So please subscribe to my channel. If you notice, my skin looked different from my previous video, but we'll still get into that. We'll still talk about everything that happened one after the other because I'm ready to share everything now, like I said earlier. And I'm going to share all the mistake I made, a lot of things you won't want to miss. I'm starting my life all over again. My life, I'm starting all over again. But this time, I'm doing it with clarity. I'm doing it with intention. Know if that makes sense. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know the kind of video you want me to drop next. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.